Hi, and welcome back to Stop Being Sold. My name is Michelle, and I'm here with Brian. And in this video, we're going to show you how to use a little known IRS rule that allows you to withdraw from your 401k penalty free. Now, it's called the Rule of 55 or the 55 and separated from service rule. And it allows investors between the ages of 55 and 59 and a half to unlock their retirement funds before the normal withdrawal age under certain conditions.
This rule was designed to provide flexibility for early retirees or for those transitioning between their careers in their late 50s, but not enough people realize it exists. Here's how it works. If you retire or leave your employer during or after the year you turn 55 and before age 59 and a half, you can start taking withdrawals from that employer's 401k plan or 403b plan without the typical 10% early withdrawal penalty from IRS. This means that you can tap into your 401k for any reason, not just for retirement. You can use it to pay off your debts, pay off your house, or even splurge on that dream vacation. And the IRS won't slap you with any penalties.
Well, with the IRS, is always a catch. So, what do the taxes look like for those who qualify?
Well, there are always going to be taxes. You're still going to owe your regular income tax on the amount that you withdraw. There's no way around that. So the IRS will always get their money. So
Absolutely. All right. So, just to clarify here, the rule only applies to a current 401k plan with an employer that you've left between 55 and 59 and a half. So, this does not apply to an old 401k that's been sitting for a decade with some old employer.
yeah, correct.
Okay.
You only qualify if you're between the ages of 55 and 59 and a half, and only with an employer 401k plan that you have left during
In a
this
time
time frame.
frame. Okay.
Yeah. This rule does not apply to IRAs during this time frame. Remember that.
Only
Yeah.
401ks and 403bs, correct?
Yeah, workplace retirement plans. Now, while the rule doesn't allow you to tap into your old 401ks or IRAs, there is potentially a way to tap into these funds penalty free.
Ooh, tell us how.
Here's how. First, check with your 401k provider at your current employer to see if they allow you to roll over your old 401ks or even IRAs into your current 401k plan. If so, roll these funds into your current 401k, and then when you turn 55 or older and leave that employer, you can now access these additional funds penalty free also.
I had no idea you could do this.
Most people don't, and many advisors don't even know this. Imagine being able to consolidate all your old 401ks and IRAs into this plan, knowing that you're going to leave between the ages of 55 and 59 and a half. You've now created penalty-free withdrawal from all your assets.
Now's the time to hit that subscribe button, everyone, and follow our channel because we're just full of great tips like this.
Yes, absolutely. But like I said, you have to check with your current 401k provider to see if they even allow this.
Yeah.
Here's the important thing to understand. Just because you can do this doesn't mean you should. The Rule of 55 isn't for everyone. Be very careful withdrawing from your retirement savings unless it truly makes sense and you have thought this through thoroughly.
All right. Well, when does it make sense to take withdrawals?
I'm going to tell you the biggest reason I've seen in my 25 years in the business, Michelle, is to pay off your mortgage before retirement in order to enter retirement debt-free and have peace of mind knowing that your biggest debt is paid off.
Absolutely.
The next reason probably would be early retirement. Let's say you decide to retire before age 59 and a half and you need money to cover living expenses. Normally, you can't access your IRAs or 401ks penalty-free. The Rule 55 allows you to access these retirement funds without that 10% IRS penalty to help cover your living expenses if you decide you want to retire early. Another one I see is people want to start a business. If let's say you leave your job just to start a new business, 401k withdrawals can provide you with the funding you may need to start this new venture. And here's a couple other ones that may come into play. Medical expenses, if you want to sorry, let me start that over.
Here's another one. Hold on, Brian. Okay, go ahead.
Here's another one that may come into play. How about medical expenses, or if you want to help pay for a child or grandchild's college tuition? The Rule 55 allows you to tap retirement funds without that penalty. Mm-hmm. But like I said, be careful when doing this because with both medical and college tuition, many plans already have provisions that allow penalty-free withdrawals for these instances up to certain limits.
Well, and the other thing too on this is, it's the, what do they tell you on the plane? Put your oxygen mask on before you help others.
Yeah.
Be very careful, especially with the college tuition stuff. I know we all want to take care of our loved ones, but if it depletes what
Your
you're going to
retirement
need in the
savings.
future,
Yeah.
it doesn't. What's the point?
Right.
They're going to have to take care of you if you don't have enough money. So
You're exactly right.
little note on that. All right, we're going to drop a link below this video in the description and the pinned comment to a video we did on what you need to know about leaving your old 401k behind. Go check that out. If you're watching this, chances are a lot of people do. It's amazing, and we're seeing the numbers rise on how many 401ks are actually left behind. It's costing you more than you think, so go check that one out. While you're at it, hit that like button if you enjoyed the content of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. All right, Brian, anything else you want to add before we wrap up this video?
Just make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you click and watch that video below.
Okay, don't forget to like as well. All right, thanks so much, Brian, and thanks to everyone who watched.
Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.